Hello guys, today we are fix this TV or Samsung. The problem is no picture on the picture tube. So, this is the inside of the Samsung, and yes, the main board. So the main problem is try to check on the AVL if the voltage is normal. Then try to check your heater if the heater is light, and try to check this capacitor here. Try to check this one, it's broken, and check the AVL diode going to this IC. Sometimes it's short from the playback going to the IC, and this capacitor output is 5 volt going to the jungle IC. So let's check. So I check this board. The problem is the power and then the display. So every time I open the TV, first I resolder the probable loss connection, because sometimes this is the main problem of many CRT TV. So before I resolder the main primary, just resolder this main IC here, then check the voltage. You have check look for the Zener diode, then check the voltage here. If you start the TV, the voltage here is 19 volt, but this diode, Zener diode, is 33 volt. So check this diode if short or not. If not, the problem is in the IC. Then sometimes check the capacitor filter, 50 volt, 47 microfarad. Sometimes the problem is there. So if you check all these components, okay, then check the secondary. Sometimes the horizontal shorted. This is the common problem, the horizontal shorted, because of the over voltage from the anode cap or the flyback going back to the main board. So for the problem on the picture, just look for the capacitor blue color, then going to the jungle IC on the AVL side here. Try to hang or try to test. Sometimes the volt here is 3 volt to 5. It's that normal voltage. Then check this IC and follow the voltage on what indicate. Or sometimes the TV is on, then seconds turn off. Check your vertical here. So before you start, check all the components broken, or resolder it before you start to fix the problem, because sometimes the problem is lost connection only. So let's try to solder it. So guys, the TV are now normal. So the main problem is lost connection. But if we try to test the ADL here, the voltage is normal, and the ADL here on the main, the voltage is 3.4. This voltage is normal for the ADL. So here on the primary, this is the ground, and this is what I say, the capacitor. The voltage here is 23. This is the operation voltage of this capacitor. This is normal, and this positive line is going to the feed here, and let's check this one. So follow this is going to the center pin here. So let's close and make money. So now the TV is normal. This is the Samsung CRT TV. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.